Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to stream on TikTok and Twitch at the same time without lag. So in order for you to do that, just simply first go to your TikTok studio. And from here, just simply go to the settings over here, guys, at the bottom on the left side. And from here, you should be able to see here live quality. And guys, here on the live quality, make sure you are not on the highest one. So guys, I recommend going for 720 60. And from here, if you are playing a game, I recommend going for 60. But if you are just doing live on yourself, you can just simply go for 30. So from here, just simply click on save. And after that, guys, I choose 1280 by 720 because people doesn't really notice the quality of the video when it comes to viewing it on their phone. So just simply go for this resolution. And guys, from here on the encoder, just make sure to choose the classic H.264. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have an option as well, the stream latency and the codec compatibility mode. So you can try to turn this on if the screen turns green, as you can see over here, to fix the issue. So guys, from here, you should be lessen the lag. And after that, just do the same thing for the Twitch and just optimize the settings in order for it to reduce the lag. And guys, I recommend closing other application into your start menu. So make sure close everything that is not related on your stream, and you can just simply go to the show hidden icons over here, and you can just simply right click on them and close the application each one. And from here, guys, just go to the start menu or right click on it and go to task manager. And from here, just simply close other application that is not related on your stream as well. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.